Okay, we're going on to night 2 this time. I didn't get to finish the whole thing last time. Oh yeah, I put a check mark thing, so... What is that? This thing.
Hello? Hello? Well, if you're here, listen, you made it to day 2. Congrats. Well, I won't talk quite as long this time since Freddy and his friends tend to become more active as the week progresses. It might be a good idea to peek at those cameras while I talk, just to make sure everyone's in their proper place, you know. Interestingly enough, Freddy himself doesn't come on stage very often. I've heard he becomes more active in the dark, though, so hey, I guess that's one more reason not to run out of power, right? I also want to emphasize the importance of using your door light.
I'm skipping to 3 a.m. It is 3 a.m. finally, and she lives right by my door, but of course she can't get in because the door's locked. And I can open if I wanted to, but I don't feel like dying today. See this poster right here? I one time saw that thing. It was like when Freddy was ripping off his own. He ripped off his own head. Wait, who just moved? The shadow, see it? The nose. Pausing it again. Okay, I did go to 5 a.m. I only paused the video to get to 5 a.m. But I don't like wasting minutes on my video, so, because it's sometimes if I make it too long, it'll not upload. Six a.m. You do that at 6 a.m. Look at it. 6 a.m. Okay, like last time, I'm not going to be doing the third night in this video. So, yeah.